Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jenny and this is LaShenny21Nails. Today I'm sharing with you guys something special that arrived for me in the mail. And it's this little bag right here. It's a really cute pink bag with beautiful little tropical pineapples on it. And it's a package that I received from Glow Closet Boutique, which is an online store that my friend Shary from Shary's Beauty opened up. I'll have links to her shop and her Instagram in the description box of this video. Let's open the package together and see what's inside. I have my scissors ready. Let's get started. Look how cute! It has a little gold heart and it says thank you inside. And it has a beautiful tissue with gold glitter. I decided to put the camera on this angle so that it'll be easier for you guys to see what I'm opening up. But when I moved the bag, I noticed that this was inside too. It's a super cute little bag, a little mesh bag with gold hearts. And inside there's two little beautiful earrings of the cutest little owls. So let's open it up. Look at these cute little earrings. Now let's open the tissue. Wow, you guys, look at this beautiful, beautiful design. It has beautiful nails, gorgeous lips, and it says #BeautyBoss. Wow, thank you so much, Daddy. This is amazing. I couldn't wait to try it on and it fit me perfectly. The bra I was wearing under is black, so you can kind of see it a little bit, so I would wear this with a white one or a nude color. The size I got is large and it fits me like a glove. I really like the shape that it has and I love the v-neck. The material is really soft too. I also tried it on with this cute blazer that matches the lips, the nails, and the Beauty Boss letters almost perfectly. And that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of this beautiful gift from my friend Shary, glowclosetboutique.com. I hope you guys will check it out. She has a lot of beautiful t-shirts available. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!